Hello guys, welcome to our new video and today's celebrity John Green. John Green is an American author, podcaster, YouTube content creator, and philanthropist who is best known for releasing books like The Fault in Our Stars, Let It Snow, Three Holiday Romances, Paper Towns, Will Grayson, Looking for Alaska, This Star Won't Go Out, The Life and Words of Esther Grace Earl, and The Anthropocene Reviewed, Eases on a Human-Centered Planet. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more update. Biography. Real name John Michael Green. Nickname John Green. Profession author, critic, web host, YouTube video blogger. Years active 2005 to present. Ethnicity white. Zodiac sign Virgo. Date of birth August 24, 1977. Age 46 years as of 2024. Place of birth Indianapolis, Indiana, US. Residence Indianapolis, Indiana, US. Nationality American. Religion Episcopalian Christian. Education. School Lake Highland Preparatory School, Indian Spring School. College Kenyon College, University of Chicago Divinity School. Education qualification graduate. Career. John Green's debut novel Looking for Alaska was published in 2005 and quickly gained critical acclaim. The coming-of-age story resonated with young readers and earned him numerous accolades, including the prestigious Michael Lee Prince Award. Since then, he has released several best-selling novels including The Fault in Our Stars, Paper Towns, Turtles All the Way Down, and An Abundance of Catherines. Beyond his work as a novelist, John Green has also found great success in the world of online video. Alongside his brother Hank, he created the educational channel Crash Course, covering a wide range of subjects from history to science. The Greens' ability to combine humor, wit, and solid educational content has garnered a massive following on YouTube. From 2010 to his 2013, John and Hank started several online video projects, VidCon, and the annual conference of the online video community, Crash Course, since 2011. Wide range of educational channels. Green later adapted the Easy into his first non-fiction book, The Anthropocene Reviewed, Easy on the Human-Centered Planet 2021. The Eases are arranged chronologically throughout his life to give an approximate thesis structure. Family. Father Mike Green. Mother Sydney Green. Siblings Hank Green, brother. Wife or spouse. Spouse Sarah Urest, 2006 to present. Sarah used to work as the curator of contemporary art at Indianapolis Museum of Art. She had also worked for the Art Assignment, a web series with PBS, before getting married to John Green. The couple got married on May 21, 2006. They have 2 children together, Henry Green and Alice Green. Physical statistics and more. Height 6 feet 1 inches or 185 centimeters. Weight 82 kg or 181 lbs. Hair color light brown. Eye color dark brown. Distinctive features young adult protagonist. Net worth. His net worth is around $18 million US. Interesting facts. He has a pet dog which is of the species West Highland Terrier named Willie. He was named as one of the Time magazine's 100 most influential people in the world in April 2014. John Green and his brother have founded the channel Block Brothers, and since the inception of the project, the brothers have gained immense popularity with a huge international fan base whose members are known by the name Nerd Fighters. After its release, The Fault in Our Stars was listed at number 1 for 2 weeks in January 2012 and another 2 weeks in February 2012 by the New York Times bestseller in the list of children's books. John Green has also been associated with the magazine Mental Floss since the mid-2000s and also hosts its videos on his YouTube channel. The Green brothers have created a total of 11 online series with the permission of Google, including Crash Course, which is an educational channel teaching literature, history, and science. Favorite things: favorite baseball team, the Chicago Cubs. Favorite perfume, White Musk from the Body Shop. Favorite Mexican food joint, Taco Bell. Favorite snack, plain popcorns. Favorite movie, Rushmore and Harvey. Favorite TV show, 30 Rock. Favorite food, sushi. Favorite holiday, Good Friday. His friend, Sarah, wife. House. John Green lives in a luxurious house which is located in Indianapolis, Indiana, US. Social media profile: Facebook 2.7 million followers, Twitter 4.4 million followers, Instagram 2.2 million followers,